What's up, guys? Say hi to the camera.
I have a box.
Wow! Oh my god!
What is this box? How's it going, guys? Welcome to another episode of Slow BRC. Tonight we are actually installing a car part. Big thanks and shout out to Chris and Kathy for allowing us to take the part off their hands. But it's for Amelia's Subi, and the reason why I have the hood open is because no, we're not doing headers. I wish. We're doing something more awesome. It's suspension. We're mainly just gonna take apart the. Actually, there's none. Well, since there is none, we are adding a strut brace to the Crosstrek, and Miss Amelia over here is gonna be doing most of the work with her nails. So today's installation will be purely based on how well she can install this on her own with having long fingernails.
Great.
You want to open it?
Oh, yes. Is there a way, like a side, just the top?
Oh. Ooh, all right, let's take it out, Yeah.
Oh, let's get this out.
So much. God dang, that was long.
Okay. It's paper, man. There we go. Oh, this is fire. Ooh, it's even got his stickers on it. Alright,
Nice,
okay.
Nice.
Fire.
Huh?
You can tell that, like, he, like, custom cut this all out.
Oh, yeah.
That's cute. That's cool.
Sweet. All right, now let's get to installing. So before we install, let's put that down in the box. We're gonna need some tools. So the bolts that hold in the strut, all we need to do is remove 2 of them. I want to say this is a 12 millimeter to maybe 14, but 12 millimeter bolt or socket. Let's see. Am I right? I was right. It's a 12 millimeter.
Nice. How'd you guess that?
It looks like a 12 millimeter. I'm good like that. All right, so let's see you remove this one and that one.
Okay.
You're tightening it, so you gotta flip the switch on the top of the wrench, the ratchet. See how easy that is?
That's embarrassing. No, you know it's because of
Yeah, I know, and I'm
I've
tipsy.
used this before.
Oh, apparently not.
I have. My dad made me do it for like a bike or something.
You still need to loosen 2 more bolts. I mean, 1 more. Yeah, 2 more bolts, 1 on each side.
Oh damn.
Yeah, that one.
I'm getting in here.
Yeah, with the fingernails.
Oh man, that's making it rough.
Making it what?
Rough.
Rough.
I would hate to drop this because of my
Try
fingernails.
not to drop it.
If it is.
Okay, I'll pick it out. I'll take it out before you drop it.
No, I gotta do this. My car, my problems.
All right. Cool. Now you can remove the other one too.
Wait, I'm tightening it.
No, you're not.
Oh.
Okay, now we got those 4 bolts removed. Let's put on the strut brace.
Oh man.
Okay, so she got the brace in. We just had to lift up the little plastic piece where the windshield reservoir, the water reservoir is a little bit, just so we can tuck it in underneath, and looks like we got it. Now she's just tightening the bolts down by hand first, and then you tighten it with the ratchet. I do believe that the correct amount of torque that's needed to tighten down the bolts would be 25 to 29 feet-pounds. Good.
How tight?
I'll show you. So what you're holding is called a torque wrench. This, you tighten down a bolt until you hear a click. Once you hear that click, that means it's tight enough. There we go. Yeah,
Look at the giant beetle.
You torqued it all down.
Sick. There's a fast beetle. Is that alive?
No. If it's in your car like that, it's probably dead. All right, so what did we just finish?
Screwing in the strut bar.
Yeah, how do we do it?
We unscrewed the nuts.
Specifically, what
And-
size are they?
12.
12 millimeter, okay. They're technically not,
Yeah.
no, they are, yeah, they are nuts, they are nuts.
They are nuts? Heck yeah.
But okay, overall we installed the strut brace and it looks really good. Tightened down to torque spec, and you'll notice a noticeable difference when you handle the car and from kind of like
in
rolling.
a way, and
so when
grounded.
the car is rolling, the frame kind of bends a little bit, so this keeps it from bending.
Sick.
It's to help provide stability. All right guys, so that's it for tonight's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick and easy install. She did a good job with her nails, so now she can just cut those nails off if she wants.
Yeah.
And not keep them. But this whole video was just her trying to install a strut brace with long nails.
Long ass nails.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are a lot. I'm definitely gonna cut these. Alright, so.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
No.